Welcome to Decoded. In JavaScript, not everything that seems like true or false is as it appears. Let's dive into truthy and falsy values. What are falsy values? Falsy values are values that, when evaluated in a Boolean context, return false. These are the only 6 falsy values. What are truthy values? Any value that isn't falsy is truthy and will evaluate to true in a Boolean context. Let's look into some common examples. Empty strings are falsy, but any non-empty string is truthy. Even arrays and objects, even empty ones, are truthy. This behavior can lead to unexpected results in conditional statements if you aren't careful about your inputs. So next time you use an if statement, keep in mind the difference between truthy and falsy values. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more JavaScript facts.